Does A sound like A in cat and A in car? Letter A has different sounds in English. Let's learn them one by one. So our first phonic sound of A is A. At, an, apple. Our second phonic sound of A is A, like alert, agree. In these words, A is pronounced as A. Third phonic sound of A is A, like car, R, far. So our last phonic sound of A is A, as a short and long sound, like dare, share. In these words, A is used as a short sound, and in same and rate, A is used as a long sound. So see the difference. So now practice daily to become a phonic star. Subscribe to Fulari Little Speakers and see you in the next phonic class.